A business in Tonawanda is helping a family who lost their home in those fires in California. The Sugar Palette is donating some money from their waffle and their craft drinks this weekend to that family. The owner says they used to live in Buffalo. Since opening up 5 years ago, her mission has been to give back.
They're very close to me, and I just keep seeing all of the information online, and it's just devastating, and I want to do something to support. And this is a way that we can have the community help us help them.
And they will also give some of the sales they make next weekend to the family. They've helped with other causes, including when the fires happened in Australia.